Hey, hello. So my name is Alfonso Bola. I'm the engineering manager of the time management squad at Payfit here in Barcelona. I originally come from Chile. I've been living here in Barcelona for the last 4 years. My background is I studied electrical engineering and philosophy in Chile. I've been working in the software industry for the last 10 years. I was looking for a job here, and I interviewed for different companies, and Payfit seemed for me like the most interesting place to work. Our team consists of 4 software engineers, me as the engineering manager. We also have a UX designer and a PM, a product manager. My role consists of 2 main responsibilities. One is like the health of the engineering team, from career growth of the different players, how to make sure that they're growing on their aspirations, that they're healthy, that they like what they're doing, that they understand what we need to do. And then the second part is more like a technical leadership, in which I work with our product manager, our UX designer, to make sure that we have a clear vision of where we want to go and we have a clear roadmap. And I'd say what I enjoy the most of my work is being able to bring people together and create a shared language, different disciplines, engineering, product management, design. We can really collaborate. It's not that simple because we come from different backgrounds. So it's really necessary to invest in understanding each other. When we plan to do something technically a certain way, we can explain to the rest of our stakeholders what we are doing, how we're doing it. Once everyone has the same understanding, things flow much better. The technologies we use at Payfit, I'd say we could decompose them in 2 main parts. One is like a standard or full code regular web development stack, in which we have, for the front end, we use React. For the back end, we use Nest.js. For the databases, we use MongoDB on my team. Again, some other teams use Postgre or some other technologies. Then to orchestrate everything, we use Kubernetes mainly. Some things are also run directly on Amazon Web Services. And for the infrastructure, we generally leverage mostly AWS. With these tools, we also build internally a low-code platform, and a big part of our product is actually coded in this low-code platform. Then this platform is what we call Jetlang. If I had to convince an engineer to join my team, I would say there are 2 things that really motivate me. The first one is really like the culture we have. We are a modern, agile organization. We work in small teams in which you really get to know everyone and really have like a very trusting relationship with everyone in your team. The thing that for me is most interesting is we have really nice offices actually on 3 different countries, one in Barcelona, one in Paris, and one in London. But at the same time, we have this remote first culture with something like we have this policy called work from anywhere, which allows us to work from anywhere in the world. In my particular case, since I come from Chile, this gives me the opportunity to travel there during summer and be with my family, work from there, then maybe have some holidays, etc. So this is really nice. And then finally, I'd say more as an engineer, I'm really excited about the things that we're doing now. We have very interesting technical challenges that we're solving in creative ways. We're leveraging a lot of domain-driven design to evolve our architecture into different directions. And for this, we also have some really experienced colleagues on these topics. So we, kind of people that have participated in conferences about this, that are like leading figures. They have written books. And in particular, right now, we have a colleague that has just published a book about the topic. And we're doing like a seminary every week. We read the book with him. So it's a really interesting moment to be an engineer at Payfit.